So guys, Sharing's here. One more LeetCode video has been came on this channel, and in today's video we are solving our question number 538 by the name of convert BST to greater tree. Okay, and so please like this video, and this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in that question there are some of the topics are included by the name of like a tree, depth first search, binary search tree, and binary tree. So please see the video start to end, and please like this video, share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also so I will these type of videos on this channel. So anyways, let's move to the computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. Guys, here you can see one more solving video I mean came on the channel of the Rayyan, and in today's video we are solving a question number 538 by the name of how to convert BST to greater tree. BST means binary search tree to greater tree. Okay, so now let's start to solve this question, but first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we will be solve it. Now it has been given me one root of a binary search tree means BST, and we want to convert it to a greater tree such that every key of the original BST means binary search tree is changed to the original key plus the sum of all keys is greater than the original key in binary search tree means BST. As a reminder, binary search tree is a tree that satisfies these constraints. First, the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than the nodes key. Number 2, the right subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys greater than the nodes key. Then number 3, both the left and right subtrees must also be a binary search trees. Okay. Now it has been given me some cases also with a diagram. So we'll be understand it one by one. So now let's start. So let's see this first diagram. Here in this diagram, if you see here he create written down 4, in which he written down 30. Okay, let me give him to the red. Okay, now if you see here he created here he wrote in down 4 in which he wrote in down 30, then he wrote it is going to the 1 in which he wrote in down 36, then 0 in which it is going 36, then 2 in which it is going 35, and then 3 in which it is going 33, and 5 which is going to the 26, then 6 which is going to the 21, 7 which is going to the 15, and 8 which is going to the 8. Okay, and in the input here he wrote it down 1 6 0 2 5 null 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 3 null 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 and 8. Output I am coming 30 36 21 36 35 26 15 null 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 33 null 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 8. If you see the example 2 is same as here he wrote it down 0 null 1, and the output I am coming 1 null 1, and these are the constraints which he used. So why this type of output has been coming? Because like it has been told me, it has been given me a root of a binary search tree. We want to convert it to a greater tree such that every key of the original binary search tree is changed to the key plus of the sum of all keys which is greater than the original key in binary search tree. And then it has been given you one reminder of a binary search tree is it's a tree that satisfies these constraints, and I have already read these 3 constraints. Okay, and this question is the same as 1 2 3 8, means that it has been giving me one more question which is very same as this question. Okay, here you can see it. You can press the link or you can copy the link and then paste here, then you will be open it. Here you can see it, this question. Okay, is same as this question. Okay, now let's try to solve this question anyways. So now total 4,64,000.2 lakh means 64,000 and 4,64,000 people have submitted this, and only 3,26,000 has been accepted. So let's try to solve this question. We are solving this question in the Python 3. Okay, so anyways let's start to solve this question. So first of all we define here class of a solution, because it's a rule of a LeetCode camp whenever we start to solve any question. So first of all we define a class of a solution, then def keyword, init self semicolon enter self.crr equals to 0, and then we want to press enter back, then def convert BST means binary search tree self comma root optional tree node minus greater than optional tree node, semicolon, enter. Now here we define if statement not root, enter. Now return none, back root dot right equals to self dot convert pst, in which we write root dot right. You are thinking why I'm writing root many times, because there's a one binary because there it has been created a one root of a binary search tree. Okay, self dot crr plus equals to root dot val, root dot val equals to self dot crr, then root dot left equal to self dot convert bst, root dot left, enter. Now when we do this all the things, so then we return our output. So now let's see the running code. So now let's run this code and let's see the output. So when I run this code, so let's see it has been giving me an error or not. So it has been giving me an error in this line, in the line 8. So okay, by the name mistake I write here rule, but the real one is root. Okay, so now let's run it now. So now when I run it now, so now I hope it not give me any error. Here you can see it. So it has been accepted in the case when the expected output is 30, 36, 21, 36, 35, 26, 15, null, 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 like this, and my also output is becoming same. Now the last thing is to submit this code. So let's submit this code, and the submission code is also be accepted. I beat 60.58% people very easily. Yes. So let's publish the solution. Easy solution beat 60.01% in Python 3. For more explanation, visit Rayyan YouTube channel, and then post this solution. So here you can see in today's video we solve our question number 538 by the name of convert binary search tree to greater tree. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And you will also visit my profile. My profile name is Rayyan, so go and view my profile. And then if you want to visit my playlist also, so come on it here, click on your Google, write here my channel by the name of Rayyan, then enter. Then here please complete my 5,000 subscriber. We are very near to it. And then this my channel, and go and view my all the videos of the LeetCode camp, and then come out to your playlist. And if anybody do not access my playlist, so please access it and bookmark it. Okay, and this is the playlist. Go and view it and bookmark it. And total 283 views has been completed, so please complete it. Go with 500. Okay, please complete 500 views on this playlist. But anyways, let's meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.